the 5 kilogram CO2 fire extinguisher, or 5 kilogram carbon dioxide extinguisher, whichever way you want to put it. We have a number in our range, but this is the firepower. This is the best. This is made in the Chubb Fire Factory in the UK. Bless its cotton socks. It is made from a Luxfer cylinder of the highest quality aluminium, which means it's slightly lighter than the budget ones. The total weight of the 5 kilogram model is about just under 12 kilograms. The 2 kilogram model, the most common, is about 5 kilograms. So it's quite a hefty thing. To compare, a 9 litre water extinguisher weighs about 14 to 15 kilograms, so still lighter than that. And the way this works, of course we've got it up on top of a table so it's not easy, is this hose and horn pops off there. You would hold the handle, obviously pull the pin out. Can you see that? When you pull the pin out, it breaks the anti-tamper seal, and then you just squeeze. And with the hose and horn, sweep from side to side, moving forward safely. And what type of fires are they suitable for? Well, the 5 kilogram is going to last a bit longer than the 2 kilogram in fighting a fire. So this one, as well as being just the best thing since sliced bread for fires involving electrical equipment, this will also do a good job on flammable liquid. Now outdoors, because it's a gas, CO2 works by removing the oxygen. So when it's outdoors, a bit windy, it's not going to work so well. There are better extinguishers, but indoors, fabulous. Quality-wise, black denotes CO2. You probably know that. Quality, the British Standard Kite mark with BAFE approval, British approvals for fire equipment. This also has the compulsory CE marking. And the 5 kilogram has the ship's wheel, the MED, Marine Equipment Directive, suitable for marine shipping. Like I say, aluminium, lovely looking shiny thing. You want to know what's inside the box. I don't blame you. So when you get one, and please bear with me, this is heavy. Normally I'd do this on the floor, but so I can make it easier for you. Well, I'm doing it up here. Okay, 1 cylinder, 1 plastic bag, like so. As with any quality fire extinguisher, as I always say, a certificate of conformity with all the details, everything you need to know. We also pop in extra information and a checklist to enable you to check you've got everything and how to put it together properly. It will have a bracket. The brackets are very simple, called a lug bracket. If you wanted one for transport purposes or for somewhere where they may get knocked, we do more robust brackets that have a strap and everything for a bit of extra cost. Just look up CO2 transport bracket on the website. This fixes to the wall and then just slots in there, sits in a little lug at the back, sits on the wall, piece of cake, eh? Put that back. The bit you're wondering, what happened to that? Oh, 1 hose and horn. Now with this you will notice that there is a washer, or you might not notice, so please do. There's a little washer on an elastic band right near the top. Take the elastic band off, pop that in. That's a solid plastic washer. Take it in, push it inside like so. Then this is a transportation safety nut that if the pin falls out and it goes off, this will stop the CO2 coming out like a rocket. It's got a little hole, sort of pressure diffuser. That is just for transport. You can throw it away or recycle, obviously. Then, simple case. I'm actually going to put this box down before I knock it off. Simple case of just putting that on, screwing it up until it's tight enough. At the end, adjustable spanner, just nip it up. And this is the trick. Listen, all service engineers who can't figure out how to make this stand properly. Grab this, give it a twist, and then pop that around there, and hey presto, it stays upright. If you don't give it that twist, it probably ends up like that and gets in the way. That ladies and gentlemen, is your 5 kilogram CO2 fire extinguisher. A beauty, if I do say myself. To find out the prices, the sizes, the dimensions, and all the accessories, just follow the links on the page.